A 2019 AAA survey reported that 31% of drivers admitted running a red light within the last 30 days. 40% of all crashes occur at or near intersections, where red light runners cause more than 165,000 crashes, killing up to 800 people a year. Iteris helps prevent these collisions. Here's how. First, Iteris sensors predict red light runners based on their speed and distance from the stop bar. The sensor sends an alert to the signal controller to extend the duration of the opposing red light and alerts the Iteris RSU to warn connected vehicles of the safety risk. Second, the event data is sent to the Iteris cloud, where AI models predict potential traffic incidents and mitigation measures for the future. Third, the data is consumed by Iteris ClearGuide software, which traffic operators monitor to continually adjust and improve traffic signal timing and minimize crashes at intersections. Iteris, delivering unique traffic solutions through the broad capabilities of the Iteris Clear Mobility platform.